Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is rhwng, which means between. Rhwng, as in rhwng 1 or 2 o gloch, between 1 and 2 o'clock. Rhwng, between.